Hey everyone. This is Sweat Life, your go-to for real gains and smarter training. Today, we're diving into how to grow your back bigger and wider in 5 key steps. You ready? Let's build that beast mode back. Why a big back matters. Short setup but strong, wide back isn't just for looks, it's the foundation of power, posture, and performance. Whether you're training for aesthetics, strength, or function, back training is non-negotiable. And it's not just about heavy lifting, it's about how you lift and what muscles you're targeting. The back is a big muscle group, made up of the lats, traps, rhomboids, erector spinae, and rear delts. To grow it right, you need the right mix of exercises, intensity, and technique. So let's get into the 5 essential steps to grow a thick, wide, powerful back. White tick mark. 1. Prioritize pulling movements, vertical and horizontal. To grow a balanced back, you need both vertical pulls, like pull-ups and lat pull-downs, and horizontal pulls, like rows. Each hits different parts of your back. Why it works: vertical pulls target the lats, giving the wide V-shape. Horizontal pulls hit the traps, rhomboids, and rear delts for thickness. What to do: lat pull-downs, pull-ups / assisted pull-ups, barbell rows, seated cable rows, dumbbell rows, light bulb. Pro tip: for width, go wide grip. For thickness, go close or neutral grip and row heavy. White tick mark. 2. Mind-muscle connection is everything. Too many people just go through the motions. If you want growth, you've got to feel the muscle working, especially the lats. Why it works: better muscle activation equals more gains. Helps avoid using arms or traps too much. How to do it: slow down the negative, eccentric phase. Pause at peak contraction. Visualize your lats spreading and contracting. Light bulb. Pro tip: try this before you even lift. Flex your lats. Wake them up, then train them. White tick mark. 3. Progressive overload with perfect form. If you're not adding weight, reps, or volume over time, your back's not growing. But form always comes first. Why it works: muscles grow when challenged over time. Clean reps equals more back activation, less injury. How to apply it: track your lifts weekly. Use pyramid sets, build up weight, drop reps. Stick to 8 to 12 reps for hypertrophy. Light bulb. Pro tip: don't ego lift. If you're yanking the weight, your biceps are doing the work, not your back. White tick mark. 4. Focus on lat isolation and stretching movements. If you want wide lats, you need to hit them directly. Isolation work plus deep stretch equals serious growth. Key moves: straight arm pull downs, cable or band dumbbell pullovers, one arm cable lat pull down, with a deep stretch. Why it works: targets lats without biceps taking over, maximizes stretch, which triggers muscle growth. Light bulb. Pro tip: on cable pull downs, lean slightly forward, and think drive the elbows down and back. White tick mark. 5. Train back twice a week. Once a week isn't enough for a big muscle group like the back. Hit it twice, one day focused on width, another on thickness. Sample split: day 1, wide grip pull-ups, lat pull-downs, straight arm pull-down. Day 2, barbell rows, seated cable rows, face pulls. Why it works: more frequency equals more growth. Stimulus lets you train all angles and muscles without burning out. Light bulb. Pro tip: vary your grip and angles, underhand, neutral, wide. Your back responds to different stimuli. Brain. Bonus tip: don't skip recovery. Back muscles grow outside the gym. Make sure you sleep 7 to 9 hours, eat enough protein, 1 gram per pound of body weight. Big backs build strong bodies, and command respect. Train smart, grow hard, and stay locked in with Sweat Life. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next workout.